Hello, everybody. It's really nice to see you. Thank you, Johanna, for an amazing talk. It was nice to see some of the things we've worked on together popping up. So, I'm going to give you some context. All of this work I've been doing with Johanna, and this is part of a project called Design Research Works, and that exists to show the world the value of design research. So I'm partly promoting a film, which I've got some cards about. You'll see them on the table with my Shadowplay thing. The film is called Permission to Muck About. So please take one of those, watch it, and I'd love to know what you think. Now, as I said, it's promoting the world of design research. And for me, that means learning about the world through making things, doing design experiments. And this is a great example. I wanted to understand, me and colleagues wanted to understand the material properties of this new generative AI material, the models that do image generation specifically. To understand some of that property, we made some stuff, some toys to play with. And going through that design process, we've learned a lot about these models by interacting with it in this way. Now that includes its desire to constantly make weapons, to make naked ladies, as well as lots of other less sort of dubious qualities to the model. As well as understanding those material properties, we've understood how to design a user interface to set up such a system. As well as that, we've been starting to learn how to deploy this technology. Last night was the first time we did it with a live band, and a lot was learned, as well as it being good fun. So that's the kind of pitch, the basic answer to your question of what's happening, how does it work. There's a camera. It looks at some stuff in the real world. It runs it through an AI image generator. And what you get is a combination of the AI and the real world, what the camera was looking at. So come and have a play with that. It's in one of the booths over there. Thank you.